Hello and welcome to this lecture. In this lecture, I will be explaining how local variable scope works. A variable that is declared within a function or used inside a function is referred to as a local scope and can only be accessed from within that function. So let me show you an illustration of how that works. So I've got a simple script here. Inside my HTML document, I've embedded PHP. That's the opening PHP and that's the closing. And inside my PHP code, I've defined a function called my test. A function basically is a piece of code that can do a specific task. This function, for example, has got a variable. So I have defined a variable called x and I've given it a value of 6. All right. And inside that variable, inside this function, I'm going to echo or display this text on the screen. Okay, so I'm referencing the variable inside the echo statement here. So it's going to echo out in a paragraph variable this, which is the name of the variable. So it's going to echo out 6. It's going to say variable 6 is in a local variable scope, and the reason it will output this 6 is because I've defined it inside the function. If I had defined the variable anywhere outside of this function, it will not work. It will not be able to reference the variable. So it will only reference the variable inside the function scope. So let's save that and let's give that a go and see what it looks like. Okay, so you can see here in my browser, it says variable 6, because I've given the variable value of 6, is in a local scope. So any variable that is defined or declared within a function has a local scope, and you can only access that variable from within that function. Okay. So that's basically what a local variable scope is in a nutshell. Thanks for watching and bye for now.